What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Treese and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing of Good Molecules. Well, actually, I've already used the products, but I'm just going to show y'all everything that they sent me. So Good Molecules decided to send me a PR package, and I'm just going to show y'all everything that they sent me now. So this is the Niacinamide Brightening Toner. Okay. And it says that you can dispense onto a cotton pad and gently sweep over clean skin, and you can also use this on your palms and pat into the skin. And that's what I've just been doing. I've just been dabbing a little bit and patting it into my skin. So after you use your cleanser, this would be step 2. I'm not going to change my cleanser because I haven't ran out of cleanser. There's no point in me buying the Good Molecules cleanser because I have something that works for me. So I'm going to stick with that. I use the Cetaphil cleanser. I'm going to stick with that. And then if I run out, or when I run out, I'll probably buy the Good Molecules one. Aren't y'all proud of me? Saving my coin? Yes, ma'am. Okay, so the toner. Next, I have the overnight exfoliant treatment. This is what that looks like. I kind of like that it's like cloudy. I like that. So the directions for this is apply a few drops to clean skin at night. Let fully absorb before applying moisturizer. Use up to three times per week. May cause irritation if used with retinol or other acids. So it literally says it on the bottle, overnight exfoliant. So you're going to use this at night. Next, we have the discoloration correcting serum. I've seen this all over TikTok for my girlies that have hyperpigmentation. I do want to note, if you are getting hyperpigmentation, that means you have to use sunscreen, okay? Make sure when you're using products or when you're just going out into the sun this summer, make sure you are using some type of sunscreen, okay? All over your body, neck, feet, legs, arms, everywhere, face, everywhere. Make sure you are using sunscreen. We are black. Yes, a lot of black people feel like they don't need sunscreen because we're black. That's not the case. Sunscreen is going to help with the harmful rays of the sun. It's going to help you combat skin cancer and also hyperpigmentation, okay? So yeah. But this is a discoloration correcting serum. It improves the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. So make sure you're using a sunscreen with this. It says shake well before use, apply on cleansed skin, allow to fully absorb. Allow fully absorb before applying additional serums, facial oils, or moisturizers suitable for daily use. So yeah, this is the discoloration correcting serum. Okay. And then next we have the daily moisturizer. So this is a lightweight daily moisturizer formulated with shea butter, avocado seed oil, and hyaluronic acid to hydrate, smooth, and nourish the skin. And here are the directions right here, nice and small. So this says gently massage onto cleansed skin when using sunscreen. Let moisturizer fully absorb before applying, suitable for daily use. And you can use this AM or PM. Oh, this is in Hollywood. It's distributed in Hollywood. Made in Korea though. Cool. Okay, so Good Molecules, like I said, I've been seeing that brand all over Instagram and all over TikTok. And so when they decided to reach out and send me PR, I was like, okay. I've never really had much of a skincare routine. Typically, I only use a cleanser and sunscreen. I use sunscreen as my moisturizer. So this is really, really nice to get me on a routine. I've been using it. It's been about 3 days. So yeah, but I mean, my skin, I don't really have problems. Oh, my glasses left an indentation. I don't really have problems when it comes to my skin. So, but to make sure my skin is nice and firm and good and, you know, no texture, I am glad that I can do this little skincare routine. The only thing with me is I have to remember to do it, you know what I mean? Because there's so many steps. I'm just so used to, like I said, I'm so used to just washing my face and applying sunscreen, and that's it. So yeah, these are, you know, extra steps. Toner, I have to look up what toner is good for because I don't know. Oh, it's right here on the bottle. It says formulated with niacinamide to brighten and improve the appearance of enlarged pores. Okay, so that's what toner is used for. Like I said, I pretty much have good facial skin. My hyperpigmentation is on my thighs and my legs. So that's something that I'm trying to work on. But yeah, as far as like my face, my skin is pretty much good. So yeah, guys, but literally this summer, please, 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 even if you are a dark skinned woman or man, if you are brown skin, if you're light skin, please make sure you are wearing your sunscreen. Okay, sunscreen, very important, especially during the summertime. You can still peel if you are in the sun for too long, even if you are, because a lot of people, oh, I'm dark skinned, I don't need that. It's so dumb and ignorant when they say that shit, but whatever. Do you? But yeah, and if y'all are looking for any hyperpigmentation products, this is really good. The Faded by Topicals. And the Topicals Ingrown Hair Serum. And I also use the Salt Air Pink Beach deodorant for hyperpigmentation as well, and it works wonders. Make sure you have, even this is a sunscreen stick that I be using. I got that from Target. Also, Black Girl sunscreen is really good. Native, they have a sunscreen, they're really good. There's a sunscreen by Equate, you can get it at Walmart. It's $5. There's no reason why you can't incorporate sunscreen into your skincare regimen. Yeah, like I said, sunscreen is really, really good for hyperpigmentation on the skin. And we just all need sunscreen, okay? Especially, like I said, if you're going to like theme parks, Disney, you're going to the lakes, you're just spending time outside, I don't know, whatever summer activity, concerts that are outdoors, whatever you're gonna do, please incorporate sunscreen into your regimen. You are gonna thank me later. And if you do get sunburn, aloe vera, really, really good for the skin. When you have sunburns. And yeah, just you want to be, I mean, it can't hurt, right? Applying sunscreen cannot hurt your skin. It can only help your skin, okay? So I just give y'all some good brands. Native, really, really good. Black Girl sunscreen, really wonderful. They have a spray version, they have a matte version, they have a glow dewy version, they also have a lip gloss. There's no reason why you know what I mean? So yeah, and I keep all of my products because these are like all of my skincare products. I keep everything in this little bag here so I can remember to put everything on after my shower and after I wash up and everything like that. So yeah, I am definitely looking forward to doing a review on the Good Molecules stuff. Like I said, I've only used it for 3 days. Been consistent so far. But yeah. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. And I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.